Now let's create this gorgeous look of 2023 together, shall we? Now for the foundation, I'm using my favorite airbrush flawless foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the foundation that I will never ever get tired of using. And I'm using Urban Decay newly released Quickie Concealer. I have a separate video for this. And for the bronzer, I'm using my current favorite Nude Sticks Cream Bronzer in shade Manila. This has the right amount of color, if that makes sense. And the most important, it's super easy to blend. And for the powder, I'm most excited because Jaclyn Hill just launched her single face palette of her beloved Face It All brightening and setting powders, and I have all the shades with me. As you guys all know, I'm a sucker for brightening pink powder of hers, and today I'm going to be using this Correcting Fair. It has a pinkish tone in it, and I'm going to use a powder puff for my under eye. You guys, if you really wanted to try in powders, please go try this one because this is everything. The palette is huge, it's gonna last you long, and now you can get singles. Look at how bright it makes. Now for the blush, I'm gonna be using this Valentino Eye to Cheek palette, and you can also use this as eyeshadow as it is dual use. This is one hell of a beautiful shade. Now for the highlighter, my current obsession from Stellar Beauty, and for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this cute tiny palette from Siat, London. Siat? I don't know. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. So it has a beautiful 9 shades in here, and we're gonna use it. Starting with this one, I'm gonna use this shade all over my lid like that. I'm gonna use this brown shade right in my outer corner like that, and slowly bringing it inward to my inner corner. Now I'm just cleaning this harsh edges with a clean blending brush. Now I'm going to use this more darker shade right on top of the dark shade that I used earlier, and blending out the harsh edges. Now I'm going to make a half cut crease using a Jared Cosmetic black canvas. That's the shape I want, and now fill it in. Now I'm gonna add the tempered shade just to halfway from inner corner. Now I'm gonna add this shade right on the other half from here like that. Now I'm gonna use this dark shade again on my outer corner to kind of close it. Now I'm gonna add this brown gel liner from Girlactic in shade Pure Brown. I'm blending it with this brown eyeshadow, adding the liquid pencil liner from one side, very thin line, using Too Faced Better Than Sex. Actually, it is better than. Now I'm gonna add my favorite lashes from Bolo in Style Can Be Tamed. This lashes literally makes me feel so pretty, and I'm ready to put. And now for the lips, I'm using City Oil lip liner from Colourpop. Oh my god, I read it. And blending it a little bit with a finger. Now I'm gonna add this lip cushion from Jaclyn Cosmetics in shade Last First Kiss. Just added this AVH liquid lipstick in Stripped right here in the center. That's it for the makeup, you guys. Now I'm gonna go get ready and then be back. And I'm ready. You guys, this jewelry, I'm obsessed. And I hope you enjoyed this first look of 2023. And with the same energy, we are going to kill it. And please rate this look 1 out of 10 in the comment section below. you.